Assalamualaikum, hello viewers, how are you? Thanks and congratulations for coming to Sonia Craft Gallery. Today I am here with another new video. I hope you will like the video very much. Let's go. Any colored paper should be cut into 10 cm size. Now the paper should be faired like this. Friends, you can easily make interesting flower designs by following my videos, and you can easily decorate your room with this flower. At this point, the paper should be cut into the shape of a flower. It's not bad if you try. If you have any flower idea, then tell me. I will try to give video according to your preference, inshallah. A piece of paper should be colored with colored pencil. I put the glue. Also making more flowers off camera. Flowers should be made by applying glue. Flowers should be made by applying glue. Flowers should be made by applying glue. Now step by step, flower and leaf should be applied with glue. So see how beautiful a flower is made. Thanks for watching the video till the end. Like, share and comment to get new video, and subscribe to the channel and hit bell icon. See you again. Another new video will be fine. Bye bye.